Welcome to 227 Fawn Ridge, please come in and take a tour. Spacious foyer invites you in, welcoming you into the living room. Notice the coat closet on the left. Regally tall speak-easy door sports a peekaboo window. Easy care LVP flooring stretches throughout the main living areas and hallways. A brick-faced, corner fireplace in the living room is the focal point as well as a source of warmth on chilly evenings. Tiered ceiling with a quartet of can lights emphasizes the generous proportion of the room. View towards the foyer. Elliptical arch transitions to the kitchen and dining area. The inviting kitchen features a well thought out design with loads of two-tone cabinets and center island. The center island invites to take a seat, grab a drink or snack, or enjoy a casual family meal. Twin pendants illuminate the center island and breakfast bar. Corner windows, above a farmhouse-style sink, pump natural light into the kitchen. Beautiful exotic granite tops the center island and the base cabinets. A bay window in the dining area overlooks the backyard and the hillside in the distance and fills the room with an abundance of natural light. Atrium door on the right leads to the covered patio. A glimpse of the eye-pleasing light fixture in the dining area. Tiered ceiling with ceiling fan and can lights highlights the spaciousness of the primary bedroom, warmly hued LVP blankets the floor. Luxuriously appointed ensuite bath boasts twin vanities flanking the corner soaking tub. Twin windows atop the tub grant lots of natural light. Deep soaking tub is perfect for spa-like relaxation. Separate, fully tiled shower enclosure is at the ready for those hurry up and get ready mornings. Stately Palladian window captures views and natural light in the second bedroom, while plush carpeting is easy on the feet when you get up on chilly mornings. The third bedroom also has plush carpeting, high ceiling with lighted fan, and amply sized closet. Bedroom 4 is also outfitted with plush carpeting, lighted ceiling fan, and amply sized closet,